Have you ever seen a teenager spinning a string of old beads between their fingers and wondered why? It turns out many teens have started using ancient prayer beads as their go-to fidget toys. While originally designed for mindful repetition and focus, these beads now help teens relieve stress during exams or just pass the time. The rhythmic movement is soothing, and the timeless design adds a cool vintage vibe. By giving these beads a new purpose, teens are bridging the gap between old traditions and modern habits in a surprisingly fun way.